हमको लूट लिया। तो हमको बोल रहे हैं कि तुम्हारा इज्जत दो, हम तुम्हारा पति को भिक्षा देंगे, जान भिक्षा देंगे। जोर मुस्ती गाय पेट्रोल ढाल से दिया, पूछे कि तुम्हारा के नामो निशान मिटे दो, हिंदू नामो निशान मिटे दो।
हिंदू ने जो बाड़ी है उसको लूटपाट कर लिया और घर जला दिया, बॉम्बिंग किया, और जो औरत है उसके ऊपर रेप किया।
एकदम नहीं, हम लोग सेफ नहीं है। ये गवर्नमेंट स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड, ये स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड है, ये स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड है। स्टेट ने चाहा है कि ये लूटा जाए, इसको दबाया जाए।
यहाँ पे 1000 माई का पलायन कर लिया, 2000 कम से कम परिवार, 2000 परिवार पलायन कर लिया यहाँ से, चला गया कैसे जगह में।
कल से प्रशासन को फोन किया जा रहा है, कोई तरह का हम लोगों का मतलब मदद नहीं मिला है अभी तक। हम लोग जबरदस्ती बीएसएफ वालों ने जा रहे थे, हाँ, उन लोगों का गाड़ी रुकवा कर रिक्वेस्ट करके हम लोग बोले कि सर हम लोग को प्रोटेक्शन दीजिए, हाँ बस।
बोल रहा है कि महिला लोग को काट देंगे, कैसे हम लोग को ये सोचना है कि सरकार हम लोग की सुरक्षा के लिए क्या बंदोबस्त किए हैं, हम लोग कैसे रहेंगे, क्या हम लोग यहाँ घर छोड़कर सभी लोग चले जाए यहाँ से। अपने बच्चे लोग बड़े हैं घर में, हम लोग का कोई सुरक्षित के लिए कुछ नहीं हो रहा है।
Well, viewers, welcome to our morning show. I'm Pratibha and our focus is going to remain on what has been happening in West Bengal. Times Now has been getting you ground reports, voices of the people. The protests that started off against Waqf have escalated to violence, with Hindus allegedly being driven out. They faced rape threats, their kids were targeted, their water tanks were allegedly poisoned, and all of this was done with the intent to wipe out Hindus. These are the claims that have been made by the residents of Murshidabad as they left their homes fearing for their lives. The BJP claims that about 400 families have migrated from Dhulia and have taken shelter in schools in Malda. In fact, Union Minister Shrikanta Majumdar is also set to visit Malda today to meet those who were forced to leave their homes.
Times Now is on the ground in Murshidabad, highlighting the plight of Hindu families who came under attack after Friday prayers. We've seen how the family members of Hindus were attacked, their homes were attacked, their shops were attacked, and now we're seeing how the Hindu families are now escaping. They are fleeing. They have no other option but to flee and to go to safer locations. You see, there are people here who are now taking their children, and with only a few bags and only a few clothing items, they have been forced to vacate their houses and go to a safer place. We've been told that there are some families who are going to the nearby Malda district and also going to places in Jharkhand because their houses have been looted, their shops have been attacked, and there has been reports of arson, and they are all leaving. You can see there are hordes of these families who are being seen leaving this tensed area. It's become extremely volatile, and these people belonging to Hindu families have no other option but to save their life and livelihood. Several families since morning, they're fleeing, they're leaving their homes. Are they doing it to save their lives because state has failed to save them?
Exactly. Now there is no state machinery is working here. This government used to say khela have. That day actually parade has been done by the miscreant, and now they are moving. DGP has came here and he is walking in the empty field. Empty field he is walking.
In fact, Times Now's crew found multiple residents, multiple families of Murshidabad heading to different parts of the state out of fear. The TMC, on the other hand, has downplayed this situation. The TMC believes that the claims of exodus are being falsely peddled by the BJP, and all communities continue to live in harmony in Murshidabad.
BJP is a third-class party. They can only talk in communal terms. In Murshidabad, both the Hindus and Muslims are for TMC. There is no fleeing from the area. if there is trouble at any spot, the local administration will take adequate steps. We cannot let the peace in Murshidabad be disturbed by outside forces. Izzata's claim is all false. Temporarily something may have happened. In Murshidabad, Hindus and Muslims have always lived in peace. Nothing will be disturbed.
সব রাজনীতি আমি এখন সবাইকে বলবো যে রাজনীতির ঊর্ধ্বে উঠে নিশ্চিতভাবে কিছু মানুষ আক্রান্ত হয়েছে, অন্যায় হয়েছে, মানুষের সেবায় ব্রত হওয়া, এখানে রাজনীতি করাটা ঠিক না। এখন মানুষের
In fact, the residents also confronted the local police and accused the cops of failing to protect the Hindus in the area. They said that their homes were burnt, their shops were torched. In fact, the leader of opposition of West Bengal in the assembly, Shubhendu Adhikari, has also put out a video on social media platform X to reiterate how Hindus are being forced to flee their homes.
থামেন দাদা, একটু আপনাদের সাথে কিভাবে কি করেছে একটু বলেন। মুসলিমরা আপনাদের সাথে কিভাবে অত্যাচার করেছে একটু বলেন।
মুসলিম আমাদের উপর খুব অত্যাচার করছে, প্রচুর অত্যাচার, মানে এত অত্যাচার থামায় না। বাড়ি ঘর সব পুড়িয়ে দিচ্ছে, আগুন লেগে দিচ্ছে, যে কেউ একটু করছে আর শক্তিশালী দেখা দিচ্ছে, ওরা মারধর করে কাটে ফেল দিচ্ছে। পুলিশ প্রশাসন আসছে, মাঝে মধ্যে সে পালিয়ে যাচ্ছে, পুলিশ সবাইকে তাড়িয়ে দিচ্ছে, বাড়ি ঘর সব আগুন লাগিয়ে পুড়িয়ে দিয়েছে, কিছুই নয় বাড়ি ঘর, থাকার মতন জায়গাও নেই, এমন অবস্থা করেছে আমাদের।
আপনার বাড়ি?
বাড়ি হচ্ছে বেদবনা।